use of 4-in-1 electronic. If this light is pulsing or dim, the tap is in sleep mode. Press once to wake up. Select either boiling or filtered. In selecting the water, press and hold. Will give you water until you let go. Double tap will give you a timed amount. This can be stopped at any point by tapping again. On the boiling, timed amount is 2 litres. If selecting filtered water from boiling, tap will warn you that the pipe that is shared by the boiling and filtered has boiling in it for the next 2 seconds. Double tap to accept, light will go blue, and then use the tap. First 2 seconds will be hot, wait for the water to go clear, and it will be cold. Again, stop when ready. If moving from cold to boiling, there is no warning. If boiling is used and then within 10 minutes cold filtered is required, the tap will warn you that the first couple of seconds will also be hot. You do not need to wait for this warning to disappear. Simply double tap to accept and then use the tap as normal, bearing in mind the first few seconds won't be cold.